Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to add photos to Google Nest Hub. Let's go. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Google Photos app. Open Google Photos app. Add album. Create new album. Add the desired photos to the album. The Google Photos and Google Home account must be the same. Open Google Home app. Choose your Nest display. Settings. Photo frame. Adjust the settings you want. That's it. Now you know how to add photos to Google Nest Hub. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.